Hey, what's up? This is Bobby. That's a car. And this is Bobby and Cars. Peace. Hey guys, Bobby here. Welcome to the episode. Today's episode we're going to be doing a bit of cut and polish on the headlights. I went with the mother's kit. That's the polish. Comes with everything you need in there. And about 60 bucks from Super Cheap. Worked a treat. They were yellow as. I didn't film it, but I might have a photo. They come up as they are now, which I'll show you in a minute. And I'm just going to give them another cut, another polish, see if they come up better. Peace. So anyhow, this is what they currently look like. That's after a treatment. They were very yellow, scratched up. About double the amount of spider bodies in there. But I haven't rinsed them. I just gave them a little blowout. See how they go. That's the other one there. So they're not too bad. But there's a little bit of hazing on the top half there. Don't know if the camera picks that up, but yeah, I just want to fix that up, make it look a bit cleaner, a bit clearer. So we're going to pull off the front bar to do that, and just got to undo 1, 2, 3 screws there, and then that one in there, that second one. That one there. You will have to turn your wheels for it. But yeah. So first things first, I'm gonna rip that bumper off. Gonna hit them with some glass cleaner and then wash it off, wipe it out, make sure it's dry. Let's get into it. So I'm just gonna rip this bumper off quickly off camera and we'll see what it's like, eh? There are 2 little screws. Sometimes they'll be just here, but stock standard they actually come under here, and that will drop the bar completely off. So I'll just quickly do those, set you back up, off we go. Let's bumper off. Probably should have done those first before popping the sides. Learn for next time. This motherfucker's filthy, so I'll be back after a wash. Check it out. Filthy. Anyway, back in a minute. Peace. back after a wash on the bar area and that. Have a look. Pretty bloody clean. I'll just set these up now and we'll get into it, get into the cut. Probably, I don't know, do one, see how it looks. Needs another, and then give her a polish. Alright, got the cutting pad, 3000 grit, dry, and then polish. So after a pass of the 3000 grit, this is what you get. So there's a few little patches just sort of here. See how that goes. Give her a rub down. And that is looking better. Cool. So we can hit that with the polish for now. And we'll see what happens. Got our polish. Got our bit on there. Came in the kit with the polish. On there. came out pretty good. Let's have a look, eh? Nice. Fucking way better. Now I'm just going to put a bit of wax over them with a hand polish just to seal it all in. Done. Got some chemical guys, butter, wet wax. It smells good and I like it. They're looking clean as fuck. Ready to roll. Check this out. Sweet as. That's it for today's episode. I'm gonna get this other one done, run this bumper back on. Peace. Alright, we've got the bumper back on. Let's check it out, eh?
TikTok, all star.